Good morning, fam. If your back feels tight, your shoulders are creeping up, and your mind's already racing, this is your reset. In the next 5 minutes, we'll melt tension, unlock your spine, and open space in places stress hides most. Let's hit the mat. Begin in child's pose. Knees wide, arms extended, forehead resting on the mat. Inhale here. Now slowly glide forward onto your belly and press into cobra. Lifting your chest, shoulders down. This flow is like a conversation between tension and release. It tells your spine you're safe to move again. I promise just this minute will create more space in your back than hours of sitting ever could. Beginners keep cobra low, elbows bent. Advanced stretches, lift the chest higher. Breathe into your ribs. Here's a surprising truth. Spine stiffness isn't just physical. It often reflects emotional buildup. Glide into one more round, just 5 seconds longer. Do you feel the wave in your spine yet? If not, slow it down and breathe deeper into each shift. That just unlocks your back. Now let's melt into your upper shoulders. We're about to open the shoulders and upper back. Come to all fours, slide your right arm under your left, palm up. Drop your right shoulder and cheek to the mat. Hips stay high. This stretch helps unravel the knots you didn't even know you had. I promise you, if you've been tense or short-tempered, this one helps your nervous system exhale. Beginners, keep your left hand under your face for support. Advanced stretches, reach the left arm overhead for more depth. We hold more stress in our shoulders than we realize, and this targets it directly. Let's press a little deeper. 5 seconds, breathe into it. Feel that pull in your upper back? That's your fascia finally letting go. That side just softened. Now let's even it out. Same movement, this time left arm onto right. Notice the difference between both sides? Most people have a dominant tension side. And what that reveals about your stress patterns might surprise you later in the day. I promise, releasing this now will ripple into how you feel hours from now. Beginners, take it easy if it's tighter. Advanced stretches, gently rotate your chest upward for extra range. Last 5 seconds, sink your chest a little lower. Which side felt tighter? That's the one your body favors under pressure. Now that your upper back is clear, let's go even deeper. Come back to all fours, walk your hands forward, keeping your hips stacked over knees. Lower your chest to the mat, forehead down, or chin if you're open. This one isn't just about flexibility. It opens up the front of your heart, physically and emotionally. I promise you'll walk taller and breathe fuller after this. Beginners, keep elbows slightly bent. Advanced stretches, try placing chin down to increase the stretch through the chest. This pose counteracts everything from hunching, texting, driving, life really. Hold it 5 more seconds. Feel the ribs expand. Are you letting your heart drop or holding back? The magic is in the surrender. You just opened your chest. Now let's nurture your lower back. Lie on your belly, elbows under shoulders, forearms parallel. Lift your chest, engage your glutes gently. This isn't a power pose. It's a pose. Permission to ease into the day without force. I promise this gentle curve helps reset your spine's natural alignment. Beginners, widen your stance, soften the lift. Advanced stretches, press down and lift this a little higher. A calm back supports a calm mind, and it's a two-way street. Last 5 seconds, breathe in, lift the heart 1 inch higher. Do you feel your lower back releasing or resisting? That just balanced your front and back. Now let's lengthen side to side. Stand tall, arms overhead. Grab your left wrist and gently bend to the right. After 30 seconds, alternate and keep switching sides. This final move connects everything: your breath, your spine, your posture. I promise this will leave you feeling taller, looser, and more centered. Beginners, keep knees soft. Advanced stretchers, engage the core and reach even further. Stretching the side body also supports digestion and energy flow more than you think. Last challenge. Reach 1 inch further for 5 seconds. Can you tell the difference between both sides now? That's realignment in action. You just gave your body 5 minutes of space, control, and breath. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind. It shows up in your habits. It drains your energy even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survivor mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body, scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog, a Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pin comment to start your free 3-day reset now, because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.